Hey guys, it's KRISHGAMEHACKER. Welcome back to another tutorial. Before we start the video, I have a favor to ask. Just go and click the like button and also the red button beside it. It's a subscribe button if you don't know that. If you subscribe to me, you won't miss any other updates. I do design tutorials, I do some gaming videos on the channel too. So really appreciate the subscribe if you do so, and catch you in the video. This video was requested by people in the comments. I had to make this tutorial. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make this logo, which I have in my profile pic at the moment. So I'll just show you how to make that very quick. So open your editing software. Now I use Photoshop at this moment. So new, get a 2000 into 2000 because you want a square background for your profile picture, so you can get the perfect circle. Then after that, create a new layer, remove the lock on the background. So the next thing which you need is have a logo. So if you already have a logo, then you're fine and good. I'll just import mine real quick. And I imported my stuff. Obviously you can't see it because the background is white. So I'll think of a little bit a grayish majestic theme, and let's fill the background by pressing Alt backspace. So there you have a bluish theme, maybe a little bit brighter. That's looking good. Okay, that's good. Okay, so we need a shadowy effect on the corners. It makes it look beautiful. Let's do the black and version. Black. Press E, have the eraser big enough. Press your number pad 0 to get 100% and a little bit smaller circle there, and boom, you get 100% deleted there. And so this should be done as soft brush, to keep that in mind. Then press on 7, which will give 70% opacity to the brush. You can do this manually, but I like to do it through a number pad. Then a little bigger, boom. Then a bit more, let's do 3, so that is 30%, and a little soften up. Okay, we got that nice dark effect, and we can just have this down, up and down, just to control the darkness and lightness of that. And there you have a nice small shadow effect, and the other way is to go to filters and do stuff there. Okay, after this is next you have to do is your 3D effect, the 3D shadow effect, which falls to the side. So for that it's simple, just make a new layer which is under your main layer. So your logo should always be at the top position. So after that we'll use the pen tool. And we have to imagine the sun direction. So if our sun is on this direction, on the top right corner, our shadow will obviously fall this side, and if it's on this side, if you're on the left top corner, and the shadow falls the opposite direction. So let's go topwards, so the sun is above us, so shadow is below us. So let's have this and shift click it downwards, and boom. See, you have to keep on adjusting that. It's better to have a complete straight circle, straight line. Let's look good and have it down there, and boom. If you remove that, there you got that nice shadow effect. So you can obviously make it any direction you want. Now if I want the sun to be on the top right corner, you can do take pen tool, this. So if it falls on this side, so the shadow starts from here. So here we do it, take it outside, and it comes up to here, and boom, and bam. There you go, recreated my logo. Obviously you can just mess up with these angles real quick. So as you can see, this is a little bit tilted than that. So if you did that, just select P and control click on the line and just drag it until you feel it straight. Okay, this looks fine. Yeah, this looks fine. So there you go, you got my own style logo. And you can do a bit extra, go to blending options of your logo. So get to the blending option of your logo, and you can do bevel emboss, have a little bit height, you can do some strokes, you can do some inner shadow, drop shadow, outer glows, all stuff. It's all your creativity. Anyway, that's how you do my type of logo, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.
Feel my pain. When it comes to me and you, we're not the same. This is so far from a game. What you saying? It ain't nothing but hard work and dedication. Quit complaining, look at my life. Feel my pain. When it comes to me and you, we're not the same. This is so far from a game. What you saying?